Hello, Ms. Briscoe here. Today I'm going to show you how to write a paragraph that can explain the similarities and differences between two or more topics. So what you did is you created a T-chart and a Venn diagram after watching the two videos on city pigeons and city parrots. And so what I have done is I have used that Venn diagram to create a paragraph that I can explain to my reader the similarities and differences between these two birds. When you write your paragraph, you always want to start off with a topic sentence. That's with any writing. Your topic sentence is going to grab your reader's attention, and it's also going to let them know what they are going to be reading. So our topic sentence for this paragraph is going to let my readers know that they're going to be reading a paragraph about the differences and similarities between city pigeons and city parrots. So I have city pigeons and city parrots are very interesting birds. They have many differences and some similarities. The next thing that you want to do is you want to explain to your reader some of the similarities or differences. And again, you're going to need to create a sentence that explains what you are moving on to. So if you notice the next part of my paragraph, some of the interesting similarities are that neither bird originated in America's cities. Pigeons came from cliffs and parrots came from South America. They have both adapted to living in the city. So if you see my first sentence, I explain that I'm going to be talking about the similarities, and I explain what my similarities are. I don't keep using the word similarities over again, and I use some good words as in both to help with similarities. The next thing is I want to talk about my differences. So even though these birds have both made their way to the city, they have many differences. So I have a topic sentence that explains what I'm going to be moving on to next in my paragraph. Pigeons live in tall buildings throughout the city, and parrots make nests on telephone poles. While parrots are very colorful, pigeons are gray, white, and black. They also have very different behaviors. Pigeons have a strong homing instinct and can deliver messages across long distances. Parrots are very vocal and have a strong communal instinct. And then you want a concluding sentence, because every good paragraph has a conclusion sentence. These are just a few of the interesting facts that I have learned about city pigeons and city parrots. So if you notice, I have my beginning and ending paragraphs, ending and beginning sentences, sorry. I have part of my paragraph talks about their similarities and part about their differences. You're using different words, like another, that's a good transition word, another interesting fact. You want to make sure that when you are done writing your paragraph that you read it aloud to yourself to make sure that it sounds right and makes sense. You also want to check for any editing errors. I can see that I have an error right here. I have the beginning of a sentence that didn't have a capital P, so I went in and I added that capital P. And you just want to make sure that you're reading out loud to yourself before you submit it to me, because part of your grade is, did you use proper grammar, spelling, and conventions, sentence structures. Alright guys, have a great week. You're going to be writing some paragraphs like this for me, so you can come back and watch this video at any time if needed.